Registered capital of 100 million yuan. Total investment of 5 billion yuan. Established by a joint venture of a well-known second-hand car enterprise in Guangdong province. It is the largest second-hand car operating enterprise in Guangdong. After 3 years of hard work, research, reporting, and preparation, it became one of the first second-hand car export enterprises in the country in June. The work has been highly recognized by the Ministry of Commerce and other relevant departments and the Guangdong provincial government. The company joins forces, leverages its advantages, integrates resources, opens up new channels for second-hand car exports, and builds China's first brand for exporting quality cars. It establishes brand standards and service standards, and fundamentally solves the trust problem in second-hand car transactions. It expands to overseas markets such as Africa, Southeast Asia, Russia, South America, and the Middle East. Establishes a second-hand car trading center. Gathers local dealers. Establishes new and used car sales and exhibition centers. After-sales service centers. And enhances brand influence. Its main business is investing in the automotive industry. Selling and providing after-sales service for used cars. Exhibition and export of spare parts. Maintenance. And internet transactions. It also deals with automobile trading markets, automobile leasing, storage, logistics, finance, and cooperates with large public transportation groups to establish intelligent public transportation management systems in countries along the Belt and Road. It builds a complete domestic procurement network, overseas sales network, and cross-border internet trading platform, overseas after-sales service network, auto parts supply, and other export systems. It provides multi-level one-stop professional services. It has 2 automobile export bases nationwide, 2 dedicated automobile wharfs, 9 export centers, 4 after-sales centers, and a national logistics department. The total exhibition area for car sales is 440,000 square meters, with an annual volume of 310, trading volume of 9 billion yuan, and serving nearly 1,000 second-hand car dealers and customers in major regions such as South China, East China, and Southwest China. It has established overseas subsidiaries and a complete overseas sales and after-sales service network. It has nearly 200 overseas cooperative 4S stores and cooperates with well-known international roll-on and roll-off ship companies such as Wallenius Wilhelmsen to establish a sea transportation logistics system. It cooperates with well-known international testing organizations such as AISTUV to establish a complete testing and evaluation system, ensuring quality and establishing a quality emergency response mechanism. It establishes a second-hand car export logistics hub center centered on Nansha and Xinsha, supplemented by Tianjin, and creates international routes. In the first phase, regular international flights to Lagos in Africa and Southeast Asia will be launched to reduce overall logistics costs. It establishes regional routes to connect coastal export wharfs to form an effective gathering of scale effects and improve logistics pricing capabilities. It uses technologies such as the Internet of Things and blockchain to establish a Chinese quality car internet trading platform. Gather resources from the second-hand car industry. Seamlessly connect supply and demand. And achieve intelligent pricing, accurate promotion to reduce costs and increase efficiency. It establishes a one-car one-horse traceability system to achieve transparency in car purchase, horse trade, and customs clearance, and monitor the entire process of logistics, transportation, port handling, terminal stores, and other information. It is committed to providing professional and multi-level financial services to platform customers by partnering with banks, insurance, and other financial institutions. On July 17, 2019, Guangdong Haocar completed China's first second-hand car export business, marking a significant milestone in China's automobile industry and with important historical significance. Guangdong Haocar has become a pioneer in the country, creating and witnessing history. Second-hand car export is a massive and systematic project. Facing competition from developed countries' international markets and complex environments of a country's one side, we are still in the primary stage of second-hand car exports and will seek development amid competition. We will vigorously carry forward the spirit of Guangdong's daring and pioneering reform and opening up. Adhere to the concept of openness, integrity, innovation, and high quality, and meet challenges and forge ahead. We are committed to becoming China's largest second-hand car export enterprise, establishing 5 major export bases nationwide, 5 overseas regional subsidiaries, and overseas warehouses. We will enhance the aggregation of second-hand car export industry, join forces, and create an international automobile trade and logistics hub center to help Guangdong become a strong province of automobile exports and assist China in becoming one of the world's top 3 second-hand car export countries. China's quality cars will be sold worldwide.